Hi and welcome to another Prima.Law support video. In this opportunity, we're going to talk about the case management board. It's a very quick refresher on the different filters that you can apply, how you can group cases, and the same applies for the new contacts and tasks screens. As you can see, it has very similar controls. And let's go ahead and check tasks, which looks again very similar. Let's go back to case management board. So as you can see, I already have two different views that I have created. This is the overview. This is the default view, so to speak. You're going to see all the cases. It's a lot, it's overwhelming, but if you make correct use of the options that we have up here, then it's going to be much easier for you to check on specific cases and much more comfortable to use. So this is the I-130. I have grouped it by priority. This, of course, you set manually for each individual case. That's why it's important to make use of those tools as well. You can select your tags here, edit them, add them to cases directly from the case management board. And I have applied a filter. I named it I-130 because the filter that I applied, of course, it's only I-130s. I only want to see these, so that's why. So in order to make one of those views, let's do DS260. I'm going to name it like this, and it will have the default look. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to filter by case type. I'm going to select contains because this is much more flexible, and then to DS260. So only DS260 cases are going to show, and after that I can select a specific grouping if I want to, maybe by priority, due date, a certain paralegal, a certain attorney. Let's go with primary paralegal. And you'll see we only have one assigned. I go to attorney, primary attorney, and this is the one that's going to show. It's the only attorney in this account, so that's why. Let's see, I'm going to go with contact, and then we'll have each contact for the specific DS260 case. All right, so it's very flexible. I'm going to remove the group. And let's say I want to customize the columns. Right now it's showing me all the columns. Most probably you will need all of them. So let's remove tags, libraries, less contacted, dates. I don't want to show dates here. Maybe just the status, not the meta status, no secondary attorneys. This way you can make it much lighter. You won't have to scroll sideways a lot. Less columns you have, of course. And this also applies for contacts, as we saw at the beginning. You can do the same here for contacts. Let's say that I want to filter and I wanted to show contacts which are named John. So that way, if I apply the filter, it's only going to show John. Of course, for contacts, sometimes it's just much more comfortable and much quicker to input the name here in the search bar. That still works, right? There's a lot of Johns. So I'm going to click on more results, and you're going to get this. So depending on what the purpose of looking for certain contacts is, you will make use of the search bar, or you will go to contacts because you want to maybe download a CSV file, Excel file, for all the contacts named John, right? That's why I want to do it. Of course, you will have your own purposes, maybe a specific mailing list, and tasks will be pretty much the same, right? You can filter, you can sort, you can group them, and you can customize the columns as well. All right, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.